be in the mid 90s. It's not terrible, but we have much higher humidity at the start of the week than we will at the end of the week. So it's all going to balance out. With the heat index today, we'll be reaching above 105. So that means that we're in that, we're in that heat advisory threshold. Not quite at a heat warning, at least not today, but we'll definitely see those start to pop up by the end of the week. So as you're planning your day, I mean, mid 90s, low 90s throughout the area. 92 Corinth, Jackson, Dyersburg, 94 in Memphis, Forest City, Clarksdale, 93 in Oxford. And then you can also see those little isolated storms that are going to pop up. That's due to the high moisture and the surface heating that we are just so used to seeing in the summertime. We won't have as much of that once we get a little further into the work week. Again, humidity drops a bit, but those temperatures are going to warm up. We're starting off Tuesday morning in the upper 70s, near 80, and then the highs again tomorrow will be reaching the mid 90s. But once we get further into the work week, especially right when, the FedEx St. Jude Championship is going on, you're going to see these highs reaching the upper 90s. 97 on Thursday, 98 on Friday, and then nearing 100 and likely hitting 100 in many spots Saturday and Sunday. Low chances of rain, but the good news is those temperatures, as they continue to increase, again nearing 100, we're going to be dropping back down into the humidity, dropping back down to that humid to even comfy levels, so that our heat index isn't going to be as extreme. So today you want to plan ahead for those heat advisories that are in place. Again, those are going to be mostly in western Tennessee, western Mississippi, and Arkansas. But later on this week, as those temperatures continue to increase, we are going to start to see those heat warnings take place. Not much else going on Storm Tracker 3S. A few clouds up there near Dyersburg, but very calm start to the day. Again, could see those isolated storms, but not much else happening other than the heat. By 8 a.m., we're already in the low 80s. By 11 a.m., low 90s. And again, we're getting into the mid 90s today with those isolated storm chances by this afternoon. Not going to be extreme 1 or 2 this afternoon. 95 in Corinth. Look at that, 95 in Blytheville. It is going to be extremely, extremely hot. Definitely above average. We're normally sitting in the low 90s, but today we'll be in the mid 90s, and that just continues throughout the week. We are going to see these high temperatures that last all the way through, not only this week, but also into next week. That gradual warm up, though, does start here just in the next couple days. When we talked about Thursday already getting up into the upper 90s, that lasts throughout the week. But today, tomorrow, and into Wednesday will be gradually warming up just a degree or two each day. So when you want to look at that heat index, this is what it's going to feel like to your skin. You're looking at 107 today, 109 on Tuesday, and 111 as you head into the middle of the week and towards the end of the week. That is definitely going to be the main thing that you want to keep in mind as you plan ahead, especially with all the outdoor events. It is going to be hot. You need to stay as much in the shade as possible. Stay hydrated, because these high temperatures are lasting throughout the next 10 days.
Still to come this morning.